With me now, once again, is Jason Fry, and we're talking about our punch and chisel set. Wide variety of diameters, you got tapered, and then you got the chisels. Break it down.
All right, well, what you have here is one of our most popular sets. We start out with our roll pin punches. You'll notice they have a uniform diameter. You'd use that in a situation where you're trying to drive a pin through a hole and the diameter doesn't change, right? Then we've got tapered punches. You'd use these where you're trying to align two materials together, right? So the holes may not be aligned and you're trying to get them in there. You can use that taper to sort of guide the two holes together. We've also got two center punches. You have a larger size for harder materials where you need to make a bigger mark on the material, or maybe a smaller punch on softer materials where you can mark it a little bit more gently. And then of course, we finish it off with our chisels. When you're chiseling away, trying to remove material, you go grab one of these beasts and you can drive away right at it.
So you got your chisels here, you got your punches, but you want to keep your hand out of harm's way.
That's right.
You've got this holder here.
Just slide the tool in there, give it a little snug, keep it in there tightly, keep your hand out of the way. Then you can grab your hammer and pound away, keep everything out of harm's way.
So you put your punches and chisels through the paces, your hammer away on them. They take a lot of abuse. That's why you guys have this gauge.
So when it comes to maintaining this tool, we provide this gauge to help you keep your tools in line. So the ideal working angle for the chisel end is 60 degrees, and that's what this gauge provides. So you can take a hand file, not a grinding wheel, because we don't want to reintroduce heat and change the heat treat of the tool. Sharpen it up to 60 degrees and get it right back where it needs to go. On this parabolic end, we want to maintain the radius to help drive our forces through the tool. This gauge also helps us with a hand file shape it back to the proper radius, both a minimum and max. So it keeps you right in that window, keep your tool tip top.